visit to this royal home is sure to transport you to another world, far removed from the IT complexes, pubs and malls which are usually associated with India's Silicon City. The word which came out from my mouth was wow. The ground floor consists of an open courtyard and ballroom for parties. As you can see behind me, the yellow color is used profusely everywhere. The first floor, containing an elaborate hall called as the Darbar Hall, can be reached by climbing a decorated staircase. This is the decorated staircase I was talking about. Isn't it beautiful? You can see the elephant head mounted right there. The walls along the staircase are adorned with paintings, and the Darbar Hall has a massive elephant head mounted in it. This is one of the oldest lifts in Bangalore, and this one is the Darbar Hall where the king used to address the assembly. They have lovely chandeliers. There used to be a separate area for ladies who used to watch assembly in privacy. The interior walls of the palace are adorned by old paintings belonging to the mid-19th century. Right here we can see the lower part of elephant legs were treated with chemicals and cushions were made and fixed at the top of legs to make stools. Quite impressive. Audio guide is available at the palace which gives very clear information about the lifestyle of Mysore kings. It's better to take an audio guide to understand about the palace and the paintings. You only need to pay rupees 200 even if you take an audio guide or you don't take an audio guide. Now that I've told you everything about the palace, I'd like to tell you that the experience was really amazing. If you're in Bangalore, I think you should come because it gives you a feeling of a fairy tale as if you are in the Cinderella days, you're watching a fairy tale movie. So I took a chariot ride. The camera fees is little costly, is 600, and the video camera fees is 1200. So this is what I could tell you about the Bangalore Palace. So do come here and visit. Now that we have been to Bangalore Palace, it's the time to discuss the disadvantage and advantage of this place. So disadvantage of this place is that there are no billboards in front of Bangalore Palace which tells you this is the way to Bangalore Palace. So really it is a bit difficult. Advantage is that Bangalore Palace is a very beautiful place to be in. There are chariot rides, even there are audio guides, so it's very well organized. If you are in Bangalore, of course, you can come to Bangalore Palace and have a look. It's a very beautiful place. And the other advantages is very near to Palace grounds where several of the events take place, and several of the concerts have taken place. Recently, Metallica has taken place in Palace grounds. So Palace ground is a place, is a ground which surrounds the palace. Then the other advantage is that it's very near to Freedom Park. It's a park, it's a beautiful park, you can go there as well. So these are the disadvantage and advantage. Now it's the time to rate. So what do you think I should rate it as? It's a very obvious question. I don't think I'll give it less because I really like this place. I think I'll give it a 9.
She knows exactly what to do whenever I'm alone with her. I can barely make a move by the time she opens up her eyes. She sings to me at night, she's singing. I know that she barely knows me, and I'm faking love with her. It's like I'm singing karaoke, and I forgot the second verse, but I can make up my own words. Oh, Dakota,